It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a requested video from one of the viewers on how I make my candied pineapple chunks. Now, if you're ready to get started, let's go ahead and get into this video. Starting off with the supplies, you're going to need some long skewers. You're going to need some pineapple chunks. Now, you can also get them in a can. I'm using the one in a jar. And some gummies to match your decorations. You're going to need 2 cups of sugar, half cup of light corn syrup, and a half cup of water, a medium-sized pot. Also, I'm going to flavor this with lemon flavor, and I'm going to be using a neon yellow by Chef Masters. Candy thermometer, parchment paper, and a pan. Now, you don't need to use this particular pan, but whatever pan you have that's available is fine. So go ahead and line your pan with your parchment paper, and in a bowl, you want to place some paper towel. Now, you can do a bowl or a pan, whatever is your choice, but you're going to begin to drain the juice from your pineapple chunks. Now, you want to make sure they're completely drained, and then you can just place them in your bowl or tray to prep them with these skewers. Now, once they all are completely removed, then you can line them onto your tray to prep them so that you can start to insert your skewers. And once you insert them, then you can place everything into the freezer until it's time to dip your mixture. Now, in the pot, you go ahead and add in your ingredients. Once all your ingredients is incorporated, you want to give it a little mix. And this time, my requested viewer asked if I can cook the mixture with the color added. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the Chef Masters white. All right. The white is to prevent your candy mixture from being transparent, meaning see-through. I'm going to go ahead and add some drops of the neon yellow to the mixture and mix that until it's all well incorporated. Now, as I was mixing, it still seemed that it was a little bit transparent, so I added in another drop of white and another drop of yellow to make sure that my mix is not transparent. Now you're going to use your candy thermometer, and you want to place it into your pot, and you want to remove your mixture at 300 degrees. Make sure that tip is not touching the bottom, because if it is, it will give a false reading, and you don't want that. Because when your mixture burns, it will turn your mixture a different color. All right. So now that we have reached 300 degrees, let's remove our candy thermometer. Place your candy thermometer tip into water to get off that extra candy. Now I'm adding in my flavor, my lemon flavor, and you want to mix that very well. And now it's time for dipping. So I'm getting me a lined parchment paper, and then I'm just going to place my chunks onto the paper. Now you can add it to your paper, you can add it to a tray, whatever you have at home. Just make sure you place it on something that your candy is not going to stick on. All right, so as I tilting the pot to get that mixture to the corner, just dip and remove and keep them separated. If they're close together, then they're going to stick. Now, once you have got all your chunks dipped, this is how they're going to turn out. They're turning out so nicely, and all the supplies that I'm using, I will leave them in the description box below. Now, I'm lining up another pan, and then I'm going to remove them by twisting and pulling back. Now, they will crack a little bit, so don't be alarmed. Just be aware. Just don't panic. All right. So now let's clean out our pot. Here, I'm adding in some water. You want to add more than enough. You want to fill this up till your mixture boils out, until it's nice and thin. Then you can remove it, pour it in your sink. And whatever candy that you have left, just take some Dawn soap, add it to your pot, and add some water and begin to rub that candy out It's not hard to remove. Just keep rubbing over it with a wet towel and the soap, and it will begin to come off your pot. And this is how I clean my pot. Now, once you have removed all the excess candy, and this is just a regular sponge rag that I'm using. It's not a Brillo pad. It's just a regular dish sponge, and all the candy is gone. So now I'm going to rinse this off and put up my pot all clean. Now, here are the pineapple chunks all done. You guys, this was requested. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And to my viewer, I hope you have enjoyed this technique. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment in the section below letting me know how you all have enjoyed this video.